Everyone. I'm Sabarnika. I'm the senior business analyst at Cognizant.com. I'm a mother of two kids, aged 2 and 5. So, um, Walk the Talk camp initiated by HEMA. I came to know about it around 6 months back. Initially, when I learned about the tool, on the outlook, I found it very simple. But you believe me or not, though it is simple, it is very profound. It has the ability to attract the children and the parents as such and bring them their level of awareness to the next level. And so initially, so my little one is 2 years old and my elder kid is 5 years. My 5 years old kid, I had a problem with her eating habits. So she was a very picky eater, a fussy eater. She would reject food constantly, and I had to feed her all the time. Believe me or not, I used to dread meal times. So that is when I started knowing about Hema's idea of bringing the children into this particular game. So the gamification was very interesting. It was very nice. Initially, the level of stress that parents had was every time the child did a mistake, the parent had to scold him, had to kind of spank them on their back. So that was kind of the parenting that is how we're culturally used to. But after coming to this program, I found it like it is much easier to train the kids. It's much easier to bring the kids to our purview. It's very nice. It's interesting. So for the past so many days, I have not been getting angry with my kids. I have not been shouting at them. So I kind of I have this game board. I have this scorecard, and which I always constantly monitor. And surprisingly, they love the scorecard. So every time they do a good activity, they come tell me, like, okay, Kika, this is I have done this, so let's update the scorecard. So I'm able to bring them to how I want them to be in a very easy and a fun way. No, I always felt that where am I lacking? So there was never a consistent plan. So every time I would start something and I would always leave it in the halfway. So now after joining this, even if I miss a day or a two, I'm aware of why this happened. So the next day I make sure that I build it. Where we didn't have a proper routine and we would always be like wake up late and it was like it was a kind of a very lazy day going, so that I didn't like that. So I want kids on track. So after joining Walk the Top camp, I started understanding the importance of having a certain ritual every morning. I started noticing absolute differences in my family members. So now everybody are aware of what they're doing. They are happy about it, and instead they ask for more. So they want to do something, as in like be it my daughter doing her homework or be it sharing with her little sister or sharing with her other friends. So now it has gone to the next level. So every time she comes and she says, oh, I have shared this, I've done this good, it makes me feel happy that she's developing that kind of an awareness. So I feel very proud and happy that she's growing up as a, and she's also sharing with the community. Actually, if you were to ask me how I improved myself, was I always wanted to do a meditation. I always wanted to do an exercise. This has been in my back of my mind for a very long time, but somehow I was never able to do that. Somehow I was never able to put my foot down and start working on it. Only after I joined this Walk the Talk camp, first I improved myself. So that is when I started doing my exercise regularly. I started doing my meditation regularly, and once I started honoring my commitment, then I started feeling so good about myself. So Hema's gamification model, it involves the entire family. Initially, I was not aware of what a journaling is, and neither I took cognizance of it. So only after we became aware of this family journeying and we started talking to each other, so I was able to understand from my kids' point of view. So what is she actually feeling? What does she actually want to convey? So every night when we have this ritual of talking to each other and telling about how her day went, it it brought a wave of difference in our families. So this is something I really appreciate from the program. And also the community that Hema is building is really nice. So we as parents, we are able to grow, we are able to talk to each other, and we are able to share our concerns, and in turn we get the tips and tricks from the other family members, which is really enriching and is really nice. And I can't thank Hema enough for bringing up this such a lovely a camp, or such a lovely program for children and parents alike. So I request everybody to join this program and benefit out of it. So if you don't join the program, you have no idea what you're missing out on. So please join the program and lead an enriched life. Thank you.